And now, the general weather around Alaska.
Hazardous weather graphic showing a wind advisory. Wind chill advisory continues out here for the southern Kuskokwim Valley, all the way out to Nunivak Island, Bristol Bay area there, and the eastern Alaska Peninsula for cold wind chills through tonight into tomorrow morning. And then kind of a narrow band here of a winter weather advisory out for the Alaska Range area for gusty winds and snow, blowing snow, reducing visibilities there to a certain extent. Winter storm warning out for the Copper River Basin for Sunday night and into Monday for heavy snow in that area. And then a winter storm watch out for the eastern Kenai Peninsula, western Prince William Sound for possible heavy snow there for Sunday night and into Monday, and a high wind warning out for the southern southeast coast for possible winds gusts from the south-southeast up to 65 miles an hour. Satellite imagery showing system kind of cutting across the Queen Charlotte Islands there, spreading rain up into the Panhandle. Actually, rain occurring today all across the southeast coast up to Yakutat. Westward became snow here and became quite light there for the eastern North Gulf Coast areas with snow into Prince William Sound to about Valdez, and then it more or less cuts off here over western Prince William Sound with mostly all clear skies here for south central Alaska. Much of the interior clear here. Western central areas, some clouds sliding northward there, bringing some light snow up over the Upper Tanana Valley or 40-mile country there. That'll continue to increase. Very cold temperatures still in the minus 40s, minus 30s, minus 40s here over the interior areas, but nudging above zero for south central Alaska this afternoon after falling as low as 30 below, 35 below in areas of the Susitna Valley in south central Alaska locations there, particularly around Willow on up into that area there, but below zero right out to the southwest coast this morning. System out here beginning to increase the snow down toward the Pribilof Islands during the afternoon hours today. As you can see, kind of a weak circulation there as that whole mass of clouds slides southeastward. Otherwise, a lot of clouds, snow showers for the Alaska Peninsula westward to shimmy in at too. And up here to the north, we got another trough bringing some light snow into the western Arctic coast, extending down to the northern Seward Peninsula. Another one trying to move out there for the eastern Arctic coast and Brooks Range area. In between, dry conditions, light winds, very cold temperatures there from the north slope all the way down, actually right to the southwest coast. And Bristol Bay had breezy conditions today with temperatures below zero there, like King Salmon and other locations. Snow showers, Alaska Peninsula this trough, and here's that low approaching the Pribilof Islands. They'll be moving southeastward over the next 24, 36 hours. Out to the west here, there's a trough bringing the snow, some light snow, into the southeast interior areas. And good shot of rain today with this frontal boundary over the eastern North Gulf Coast there, Yakutat into Icy Bay or Dry Bay. And wet day here over this Panhandle. That'll continue into tomorrow as well, with another trough keeping it wet over the southern southeast coast, and rain all the way up into Juneau, Haines, Skagway area. Snow in the Copper River Basin becoming heavy at times throughout the day and toward evening, and snow also for Prince William Sound beginning to pull westward. Clear and cold tomorrow, light winds. Again, over the interior, day much like today here, but warmer over the eastern interior as that cloudiness and more southerly flow pulls those temperatures up or keeps them warmer than they have been there for the Upper Tanana Valley areas, even into the Yukon Flats. In the weak trough, chance of snow showers, western Arctic coast southward there to maybe Kotzebue, Shishmaref, possibly Buckland, Tin City, and to the south, though, dry conditions with variable clouds. And this low brings snow to the Pribilof, starting to slide off to the southeast there. Maybe a dry day for the Aleutians with isolated snow showers, but cloudy skies, snow showers for the Alaska Peninsula. And then for Sunday, snow spreads westward. Actually, could happen as early as tomorrow afternoon for northern Cook Inlet, definitely in the Manuska Valley. But this begins to come westward, tomorrow for Sunday here with snow spreading northward over the eastern interior, clear and cold here over the west, and snow showers over the Aleutians. This low tracks southeast of the area, and that'll just leave snow showers, continued cold temperature of the Bering Sea, warm front spreading gusty winds and rain. Again, that high wind warning out for the southern panhandle as that gradient tightens up there. Could see gusts over 65 miles an hour. And then for Monday, let's see, low pressure develops here, and pretty strong low right over the Kenai Peninsula Monday. So snow, possibly heavy at times across southern Alaska here, particularly the eastern Kenai Peninsula, western Prince William Sound, and Copper River Basin areas, but snow overspreading just about all of interior Alaska, and that'll cause temperatures to go up. And wet and windy for the southeast coast about sums it up, and chilly with widespread areas of snow and snow showers for the Aleutians and the Bering Sea. Lows tonight, again, 55 to 60 below in the central interior. Into the northern Kuskokwim Valley there, Nikolai McGrath around 55 below, and well below zero out to the southwest coast. Again, about 16 below for Savunga and Gamble, 9 for St. Paul and St. George, in the 20s for the Aleutian on Alaska, down to 19, and 0 to 15 here for the Alaska Peninsula, minus 20s for the Bristol Bay area. Another cold night here, south central Alaska, again 15 to 30 below, coldest in the Susitna Valley, minus 20s, mid minus 20s maybe for the Kenai Peninsula, and warmer for the Copper River Basin, and much warmer for the panhandles. You can see 40s for the lows, highs tomorrow down that way, right around 50 for the central and south coast, mid 40s for Yakutat, above zero now for the Copper River Basin, and edging up toward zero again for Sunday afternoon for south central Alaska with the clouds on the increase, but west and north of the Alaska Range, temperatures stay far below zero all the way to the Arctic coast and out into the northern Bering Sea, high about 15 for the Pribilofs, 20s for the eastern Aleutians, lower 30s for the central Aleutian areas, and then the lows for Monday morning. Still pretty cold, but not as cold, but still down into the mid minus 30s there for the Yukon Flats, right around minus 30 for Fairbanks, and just sliding a little under zero for the Copper River Basin, and 0 to 10 below south central Alaska, in the 40s, some cases upper 40s for the southern panhandle for the overnight lows, and single numbers for the Alaska Peninsula and Pribilofs. And that'll be followed by highs, western part of the state and the central interior below zero, trying to nudge above zero here from, say North Pole, well, probably Delta Junction over toward Northway and Tok. Mid-teens for the Copper River Basin, back into the 15 to 20 degree range here for south central Alaska, and mid-teens still for Kodiak. Southern Panhandle, lower 50s, lower 40s to the north.